living sketch, you know you did. Walking around with a grip full of dick, heavy to a try to touch my shit. Fuck you, you still with no kick. MAGNOLIA, that is not your ass for that. They are haters on my dick, trying to put me in a kick. I put me twice, I fuck one more. I was in the flow, these fellas in the game. Knowing that they ass is lame. Big ass I was still the same. Yeah, I can fuck you. When that smoke is in my nose, I be wanna get that pose. And shit about to click. You gon' get your ass kicked out. I'm out my fucking ride. And flip my clip to your side. Look, you're the fucking drunk. And then I watch my 9mm go.